Building dynamic economies requires capital, and private capital markets play an essential role to mobilize and allocate domestic resources efficiently. From 1989 to 2019, the number of African stock exchanges have increased from 8 to 29. But so far, only a few are attractive to international, regional, and local institutional investors.
The African Development Bank focuses on three pillars: strengthening capital markets institutions and enabling inclusive growth, broadening market participation and increasing access to capital market solutions, building capacity and knowledge management.
The bank's operations are already resulting in impactful outcomes. For example, in West Africa, we worked with the government of Senegal to structure a €470 million partial credit guarantee for currency risk hedging. The operation is expected to 1. Strengthen public debt sustainability. 2. Create 366,000 new jobs. And 3. Increase government and private investment in the economy. In North Africa, we provided $157 million to the Kingdom of Morocco to support financial sector development and inclusiveness. As a result, the operation contributed to 1. Increase the insurance penetration rate from 3.1% in 2015 to 3.5% in 2017. 2. Stabilize the pension fund's reserves. And 3. Increase the capital markets capitalization from 52% of GDP in 2015 to 60% in 2017. In 2018, the African Local Currency Bond Fund received support from the bank to develop issuances on African domestic capital markets by small and medium-sized businesses. This fund has now raised about $200 million in 18 sub-Saharan countries using 15 local currencies. Over 20,000 direct jobs have been supported by the fund's investments, of which 41% are for women. Also in 2018, the bank committed to invest up to $25 million in the African Domestic Bond Fund to tap into the African local currency sovereign bond markets opportunities. The African Domestic Bond Fund tracks an index with 10 African sovereign bond markets, representing 90% of the African sovereign local currency bonds universe, with plans to expand the number of qualifying African bonds.
In 2020, the Ministry for Foreign Trade and Development Cooperation of the Netherlands and the Ministry of Finance of Luxembourg committed up to $10.6 million to roll out the Capital Markets Development Trust Fund with the aim to support the development of well-regulated, competitive and deeper capital markets in West Africa.
Africa's transformation requires significant resource mobilization, and the African Development Bank Group is committed to the emergence of well-functioning capital markets to help unlock domestic financing for Africa's wealth of opportunities.
Become a partner today.
Invest in Africa. Visit our website to learn more.